Hello, welcome to our presentation for Manufacturing Processes course. Today, we are very happy to present you the B-pillar structure. First of all, what is the B-pillar? A B-pillar, sometimes referred to as the middle pillar, consists of a metal frame that forms the main skeleton of a vehicle. B-pillars are assembled to create the vehicle structure. As well as being referred to as a crash absorber product, it is defined as a passive system that ensures the safety of the vehicle when it is in motion. Particularly in the case of an accident, it helps protect the car structure integrity by supporting the roof. To make cars lighter and safer, some B-pillar components are designed using cutting-edge technology.
Why is B-pillar using? The B-pillar designed by engineers is important in roof crash resistance tests for cars to protect passenger safety and enhance fuel efficiency.
Now, I would like to talk about the difference between B-pillar in the past and the today. In the past, this product was made of 3 or 4 millimeter sheets to provide the desired strength. But now, since the desired high strength results are obtained from 1 millimeter sheet, provided that the hot forming process is used. Also, in the past, 3 or 4 millimeter sheets were produced in 2 or 3 pieces in tandem presses and welded to a single piece. But now, the blank piece that comes out of the furnace at 980 degrees is produced as a single piece with a one stroke with the help of a hydraulic press.
So, in daily life, which sectors are using B-pillar? B-pillar is a metal component that is used in the production of all automobiles. In this presentation, the Ford Puma vehicle group's B-pillar production process will be discussed.
Why we choose B-pillar? Most important factor in choosing B-pillar as a group was the car accident that one of our group members had. Thanks to B-pillar in our friend's vehicle, B-pillar prevented the vehicle from skidding completely. That's when she realized the importance of B-pillar. Because of the story, we decided to do our project about B-pillar.
To produce B-pillar, what are the basic knowledge required? For material, to know the character of the material in order to produce B-pillar, because of the high strength results that can be achieved with 1 millimeter sheets of hot form production, understanding the material is important. To focus on the cost-based process, to prevent corrosion, focusing on a cost-based process is really important. For equipment, to know of managing the control unit, maintaining stable welding parameters requires mastering the control unit and managing its well. To know robotic system and knowledge of the roller system, because the cold sheet metal helps prevent corrosion, focusing on a cost-based process is crucial. And during the hot forming process. During this process, the knowledge of the management of the hydraulic press is crucial in order to provide results that meets the engineering expectations of the product after the preset parts are placed in the hot form tools. The hydraulic press operates according to its logic and parameters to provide the results that meet those expectations. We will explain more detailed information in the hot forming part.
What kind of materials are used in producing B-pillar? The B-pillar is produced using usable metal raw material in 22 mangan aluminum 5 formulation, resulting in high strength and an environmentally friendly structure. Not a result of forging is a metal rod utilized in the B-pillar system, enabling the combination of vehicle materials. A height adjustment carrier is a forging produced metal not used to connect the seat belts height adjustment. The door leg is a metal sheet connection point used in the door handle mechanism, allowing the door to close and attach to the B-pillar. Patches are sheet metals cut from usable or ductile, used to strengthen the B-pillar, especially to enhance its strength during an accident.
In this slide, you can see the list of the most basic equipments to be used in B-pillar production.
What is the production order of the B-pillar? First, produce blank parts from coil. Second, produce patch parts from coil, and then produce reinforced blank parts. After that, enter the reinforced blank parts to the furnace. Check the traceability of the parts. Enable the parts to take shape and melt, and put the heated product under the press. Then, transfer to the laser cutting. Cut the perimeter and cutting holes to desired dimensions, which leads to the nut welding process. Perform door latch welding process. Verify the position of the product on the vehicle and boil long slotted nut. Check the first product based on lot and lastly package.
What are the processes required when producing B-pillar? First one is blanking process. Blanking process is the production of the middle part that will enter the next process. For B-pillar, it is opened with metal decoiler system that comes as coil. It is driven under the press with roller system.
And second is the patch welding. This is a process of joining metal parts to strengthen them. Patches are a piece of sheet metal cut from usibor or ductibor. Blank cutting is applied to patch production in the same way as it is in B-pillar. However, it is much smaller than the mold in B-pillar. For the B-pillar, reinforced blanks are obtained by welding together the patches produce the reinforced cut blanks.
Marking. Marking is a system used to identify the year, week, day, shift, and operator involved in the production of a product. For the B-pillar, this system tracks these details before the product enters hot forming.
After marking, the parts is shaped and melted with hot forming. Great potential lightweight, excellent crash performance, great dimension accuracy, low emission, and substantial consumption reductions are all the benefits of the hot forming. Regarding B-pillar, the designed blank pieces are fed via the furnace and then inserted into the hot forming mold, which is strapped to the feeder gripper system beneath the product hydraulic press. Thanks to the cooling water system, the blank parts gain shape as the pressure drops and simultaneously hardens through heat treatment. The product is then removed from the beneath the press by the robotic shuttle when the press is raised.
Now laser cutting, which is a process used to cut hard materials like sheet metal with desired properties. After being formed and hardened through hot forming, the components are placed in a product-specific laser fixture and processed with a 5-bit laser cutting machine to achieve the desired dimensions through perimeter cutting and hole drilling.
Welding. Welding process is the fixing of two metals to each other by melting the metal by applying high current to the copper tips. The reason why tips of welding machines are copper is that copper has ability to bring metal to melting point at high currents.
And not welding. It is the fixing of the not metal parts adhering to desired parameters during the welding process.
Door latch welding. Door latch welding involves attaching the door lock to the metal part according to specific welding parameters.
Seatbelt welding. It is the procedure of the welding the seatbelt's height adjustment mechanism to the center pillar while adhering to the required specifications on the metal component. Also for the B-pillar, the procedure of placing the completed product on the welding fixture with the assistance of robot systems comes after the door latch weld. Another robot system then takes the seatbelt long nuts in the drums and brings them to the product's welding point where they are welded.
Quality controlling. Before beginning mass production or nearing the end of production, the 3D measurement machine, which is the EA system, is used to verify the characteristics of the customer by ensuring that the product satisfies their demands or expectations.
Packaging. It's the process of placing the completed product into metal containers sent by customers.
What are the difficulties of B-pillar production process? Machine failure, lack of supply of materials, inaccuracies in process parameters, problems in resource systems, manpower, missing knowledge, wrong planning, high customer demand, and packaging failure.
Lastly, here are our references that we use while we are gathering this project. We hope it was useful presentation about B-pillar for everyone. Thank you very much for your attention. We wish you a good day and good work.